How to create poll in Messenger. Well, this is a very easy and quick tutorial. You just have to launch your Messenger application. And let's just say I want to open a specific conversation here for a direct message or one message or specific conversation. Can we create a poll? So if we're going to tap this plus icon here, we can see an option that says poll. Okay, so as you can see, we only have here record voice, location, play games. That is, we can create a poll if this is not a group chat. This is just a direct one person or a specific chat, so we can't create a poll here. What we're going to do is we should create first a group chat. Okay, so this one, I created this group chat here. And if I'm going to tap this plus icon, I can see option, record voice, location, and polls. So that means you can create a poll here. Now you can start with your question. Let's just say who is more handsome. And then we have two choices here. So we can create a name of a person, and then B, another name of a person. Okay, so for example, A, we have Hian, B, we have Paul, and then tap create Paul. So as you can see, creating Paul here. Now, in order for them to vote, all they have to do is just simply tap the letter or the name of the person. Okay, so let's just say I'm going to vote for Kian. Or let's just say I'm going to vote Paul. And then if you want to add an option, you can simply click add option here. Let's just say, let's add another name. Okay, for letter C, we have here Andy and then submit. Okay, so the people in this group chat can vote, okay, A, B, or C. And that's how to create poll in Messenger. You need to create a group chat first. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.